Now, the question you create your if cos of A equals A over B, prove that sine of A times tan of A divided by sec A minus 1 equals A plus B divided by B. Okay, so in the science, I'll prove out 1, so we're going to choose one side up. So choose a lona until it can't complicated, then we'll simplify a lona. I'll choose today is about the left. So I'll choose the left hand side. Okay, and then the science up as Nikki window cos of A equals A over B. And so it's just a small triangle piana sitting with angle A way to learn. Cos was adjacent over 1 over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse to move B. So if let's analyze the opposite side, but single formula using Pythagoras routine R squared equals x squared plus y squared. R way to the hypotenuse side move B, so it's B squared equals x side way to adjacent side to A squared plus y as mass. Okay, so for 9 fine. And let's start to A squared, so it's not B squared minus A squared equals y squared. And then y equals root, so it's a root of B squared minus A squared. Okay, and then y way to say as B squared minus A squared. Fine. So see a problem here. So now the opposite side, the hypotenuse side, the adjacent side. So we to sine of A says opposite over the hypotenuse side. So sepale sine of A go root of B squared minus A squared divided by 1 the hypotenuse side to 1 B, okay, times by tan of A way to 1 go opposite over adjacent opposite way to 1 go B squared naye minus A squared over adjacent side to yona A. This is all divided by sec of A ngubani. Sec must inverse function, sec inverse function ka cos. So njengoba cosing adjacent over hypotenuse, so sec is hypotenuse over 1 adjacent. So hypotenuse side yethu ngu B upper, adjacent side yethu ngubani ngu A. So we have sec of A ngu B over A minus 1. Fine. Okay, so to multiply phezulu kwi numerator yethu was this is a bigger fraction. So multiply lena lena, so a root sign is our suka because multiply a root square root nesinye square root. So show long one B squared minus A squared over B times A is AB. This is all divided by ngapha snabani. Simplify la fraction here to pi B over A minus 1. A LCD pi so it's no B minus A. So this is minus divided by B minus A over A. Okay, and then so once I not pi so chichale division sign to multiplication sign. Classens are only so kukula le fraction lapha ngase right at E denominator signs in numerator to signs I denominator. Okay, so it's not B squared minus A squared over A B times by A over B minus A. Okay, and then sitini se factorize the piana la numerator here to power B squared minus A squared in don't hit difference of 2 squares. So it's now factorize and all shop. Okay. Let's go back again up. So this is B minus A B plus A all over A B times by A over B minus A. Okay, la A you cancel na lo A B minus A up cancel na la B minus A. So shegolong van payan shegolong B plus A over B, which is exactly the same thing be pagola. So city class conclude the upper question city. The left hand side, say prove that the left hand side equals 1, the right hand side. So prove the left hand side equals the right hand side. And then we're going to do the really question or shop, equation engine or shop. Thank you.